Welcome to springlib.
We are provided with the data set shown in this table, and we are asked for the correlation coefficient, the slope of the regression line for these data pairs, and the numbers of units sold for $357. So first we'll find the correlation coefficient, that's denoted R. We're going to use Excel. So I've gone ahead and put these sample data in columns A and B. So to find the correlation coefficient, we use the correlation function. We enter an array of one of the variables as the first argument, and then an array of the other variable as the second argument. Hit enter, and we get a correlation coefficient of negative 0.925 approximately. And this does indicate a correlation between the number of washing machines sold and the price. So our first variable, that's denoted X, is the price, and Y is the number of machines sold. Not only does this indicate a correlation, it indicates a strong negative correlation. Recall that the correlation coefficient can be between +1 and -1. -1 is a perfect negative correlation, +1 perfect positive correlation. 0 would be no correlation. So minus 0.925 is close to -1, so it's strong and it's negative, indicating that as the price of a machine rises, the number of units sold decreases and vice versa. For the second part, we are asked to indicate the slope of the regression line. It's going back to the first question. We want 4 decimal places, so it's minus 0.9247. So the regression equation could predict values of the numbers of units sold from the price, like so, where A is the slope of this equation. Let's find the regression equation in Excel. So the function uses linest for the y values for the first argument, comma, and the x values for the second argument. Hit enter, and the first value returned, minus 0.2036, is the slope. Write out the regression equation like this. The second value returned is the y-intercept, 98.6786. That equation allows us for part 3 to predict the number of units sold for $357. We're told that the price is $357. So how many units do we predict being sold? Just substitute 357 for x in the regression equation. And this comes out to approximately just about 26. So we'd estimate 26 units being sold.